Hello friends, if you want to make something simple but very healthy and nutritious, and especially for kids, this recipe will be very healthy as well as very satisfying. So today we are going to make Aloo Palak Paratha, and this is really healthy, loaded with spinach. So let's get started. We wanted to start with 1.5 cup whole wheat flour, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now take the spinach leaves which I have washed and stemmed, and I'm going to make a puree, and this is about 1 cup of puree almost. So with that I'm going to knead the dough. Also add ajwain or carom seeds, 1 teaspoon. It's very helpful in digestion. So I'm going to start kneading the dough and add water if I need it. So adding little water at a time, we are going to make a not too tough, not too smooth dough. So I have used about 1/4 cup of water beside the puree. So now the dough is ready. I'm going to apply some oil and knead it a little bit, make it smoother. So now let it rest for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. So I'm going to take boiled and mashed potato. To that I'm going to add chopped spinach and green chilies and ginger paste. Here I have some chopped mint leaves. This is optional but it gives nice flavor, with chopped coriander. And here I have crushed coriander seeds and roasted cumin powder. So I'm going to add that, as well as black pepper and garam masala and turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. I have added salt in the dough, so I'm going to add accordingly. Now mix everything well. Now as soon as you start mixing, the water in the spinach starts releasing, so we wanted to add corn flour. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of corn flour so that the water is absorbed. So now I'm going to divide this into equal portion, about a palm size balls, like this. Now our dough is also well rested, so divide the dough as well. So I'm going to take some dough, roll it into a smooth ball like this, and roll it into loose flour. And I'm going to start by spreading on the edges. I wanted to keep the center part a little thicker so that when I fill the stuffing, it's not going to break apart. So just keep spreading, and then I'm going to put the stuffing in the center and just gently close all around it. Keep pressing and then press it, and then close the stuffing and remove the excess. So this is ready. Now I'm going to spread it using some loose flour. I'm just going to dab from the center, moving outwards, and then spread it as much as I can with my hands only. If you feel like, you can use a rolling pin very carefully so that the stuffing won't come out. So the paratha is ready. Now let's grill it. So heat a pan, and then I'm going to grill on both sides until they are nice and golden. If you guys new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit that like button at the end. So you can see there are some spots already, and wow, look at this beautiful color because of the spinach. So this is a great way of adding spinach to your diet, especially for kids. So now apply some oil and roast on both sides, and our paratha is done. Wow, the paratha has beautiful color as well as wonderful taste. So I'm serving this with the yogurt, flavored yogurt, and you can serve with any condiment that you like, your chutney or a sauce. And I'm going to show you how it looks from the inside. So look how beautiful it looks, and it's loaded with spinach. So enjoy this, try this today, and let me know in the comment box below, and I'll see you with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.